Hello viewers! We all know that the COVID-19 pandemic has given rise to flexible work arrangements. With several countries announcing stay-at-home orders, employers were forced to implement variable work choices on the fly. With almost 2 years in this situation, employers have clearly understood how flexible work hours can be adopted without hampering productivity. In today's video, we'll discuss some valuable tips that'll help you maximize productivity without succumbing to the distractions and comfort of your home. Will setting up a schedule help you? How about taking a walk for boosting your productivity? We'll talk about all of this and more. Number 1. Set up a schedule. Time management is the discipline of controlling your life through your use of the 168 hours that are available to you every week. Mastering time management will help you balance the many pressures on your time and achieve your goals. The balance will help you avoid burnout and stress and will make you more productive at home and in the office. A study revealed that in comparison with the employees who came to the office, the at-home workers were not only happier and less likely to quit, but also more productive. When you visit your workplace regularly, you tend to follow a consistent routine that begins and ends on time. Those lines are blurred once you work from home. The sense of responsibility reduces in this scenario. For some people, this can make it difficult to remain on track. For people who already maintain long hours to accommodate serious workloads, the lack of a proper schedule will make it even tougher to maintain a work-life balance. Before you identify a starting time, examine your morning routine. Make sure you have enough time to give your day a decent start, like eating breakfast, walking the dog, or taking a shower. Contemplate your evening routine as well. Discuss your schedule with your family or roommates and share it with your colleagues so they understand when they can expect you to be attentive to queries and available for meetings. How do you manage your work from home schedule? Sound off in the comments section and start a conversation with our Bestie community. Number 2. Get out of your pajamas. You'll be surprised to know that 73% of people get dressed up to feel more confident. Even if you won't see anyone else besides your cat for the entire day, it's difficult to feel productive psychologically in your pajamas. In the initial days of work from home setup, staying in your sweats would possibly feel like a perk. But for several remote workers, this habit can cause sluggishness by the end of the workday. Even if you accomplish a lot, it can feel like your workday never even started if you don't dress up appropriately. It doesn't mean you have to wear formals. Putting on a fresh outfit can also help draw a line in your head between professional and the remainder of your life. Emotions play such a significant role in our clothing choices because often it's not the actual clothes that we wear that determines our feelings and attitudes, but the associations we have with them. You don't have to pull out your finest 9-to-5 outfit, just opt for something other than your night suit so that you can build your day more successfully in the end. Interested yet? Make sure you join our millions of followers and hit that subscribe button for all of our great Bestie content. Number 3. Make a designated work corner. Just as it's suggested to not simply roll out of bed and begin operating in your pajamas, similarly, it's not an excellent plan to roll over in bed and grab your laptop from your side table to work. Having a specific workspace will assist you to maintain boundaries between professional and personal life. A study suggests that employees see a clear link between the physical work environment and personal productivity. They also report the work environment as very important to job satisfaction. Who would not love a spacious headquarters with grand windows that allow in natural light? But space could also be a luxury, especially now when you might not be the only one working from home. Even a small table or shelf in your closet can become an effective work desk. Ideally, you should position your desk in a very low-traffic space with the least number of distractions. If you can spare the funds, investing in a specifically designed chair can be worth it. Having some storage solutions that allow you to keep your table decluttered can also boost productivity. Before we move ahead, here's another video you might like. Watch and learn about the 8 healthiest plants to have in your house. Now, back to our productivity tips. Number 4. Do not forget to walk. Research shows that lack of physical activity can cause health problems and diminish organizational productivity. It is valid to say that working from home can lead to an inactive and desk-bound lifestyle that you would otherwise not experience. If you've just switched to the remote working side, the shift can be disturbing. Taking a walk either around your neighborhood or up and down your stairs or perhaps simply around your backyard will give you a much-needed break to clear your head, get your blood flowing, and look at things apart from the computer screen. A study proves that on days when employees visited the gym, they reported managing their time more effectively, being more productive, and having smoother interactions with their colleagues. You can also attend a work call while you walk, but even a 10-minute break to indulge in some lightweight exercises will be enough for your leadership effectiveness, mental health, and overall productivity. Also, if social distancing makes you feel isolated, seeing others from a distance will help you feel less alone. Number 5. Establish team norms. When employees are operating remotely, check-in meetings become more crucial than ever. And so are setting clear expectations with team norms. Studies show that employees often struggle with the workday when working from home because many have to deal with the competing requests coming from their families, also housebound. When people work from home, they are often expected to be virtually present during the regular workday. This can pose quite a problem. Therefore, it is important to take into consideration the schedule of the colleague and their preferred time before sending a meeting invite. They might be working from a completely different time zone. If you're aware of any added responsibilities they have recently taken on, such as homeschooling or caring for kids and aging family members, you can choose a more suitable time for the conference. Taking into account the ideal virtual meeting platform for the majority of the team members can improve attendance in the meeting, making sure you set the camera settings on or off unless unnecessary, as it would be appreciated by several colleagues. If you and your team have freshly moved to the work from home side, it is important to come on the same page. Therefore, do not shy away from making some extra efforts. Number 6. Minimize the distractions. There's no doubt that employees that fully concentrate are able to do their best work, which makes for the best possible employee. By far, one of the largest challenges related to working remotely is finding ways to limit all of the distractions around you. You'll be surprised to know that it takes about 20 minutes or more to achieve a complete resumption of where you were before the interruption. With the present crisis, it's more likely that you'll have to interrupt work for things that are not part of your everyday routine. It's important to make sure that you're doing all your best along with your team members as well. A study discovered that with blocking software, participants evaluated their productivity significantly higher and could focus for more hours. Having a set schedule and designated work corner can help you to decide and maintain work boundaries so you'll be able to limit unwanted distractions. It is important for you to know that even after the pandemic is over, adaptable work arrangements will help the employees to experience better savings, improved attendance and productivity, and better engagement. These productivity recommendations are feasible for all to establish an efficient, productive, and sustainable work-from-home setup. There's no surprise that opting for these measures can have many benefits. These include a reduction in wasted time, mitigation of work overloads, and higher levels of personal productivity. Whether you're in this situation temporarily or for the long haul, we hope these working from home suggestions will help you adjust and stay productive. Here's what you need to know. Check out 7 easy ways to stay productive and achieve your goals. Or how about 9 proven habits of successful people? Go ahead and click one, or better yet, watch both, and learn the effective ways to improve your performance at work. Do you know any interesting tricks to stay focused and improve your productivity at work? Let us know in the comments below.